What's up, y'all? I just wanted to do a quick short video for you guys. I got this really nice flashlight from Streamlight. It's the PolyTac X in the FDE color. It's a polymer construction LED flashlight. Great light, absolutely love it. Very bright, 600 lumens. It does have this real nice clip on it that you can do inside or outside. It's got both. So that's kind of cool. Really simple polymer construction, like I said, nothing too crazy. The battery that it uses, that it comes with, you'll have a spring inside, and it has a Streamlight rechargeable battery that comes with it. You just use a micro USB, plug it in, and it'll light up green when it's done. But yeah, simple light, nothing too crazy. Absolutely love it. Cannot say I have any complaints about it. I picked this up at my local gun shop. I believe they're going for about 60 bucks on the shelf. I've seen them online for around 50. But if you're looking for a nice bright light, this is the one, guys. I'll post up a video as well now of me demonstrating how bright this light is between 50 and 300 yards in the dark. And to finish off the video, I have posted here the specifications from Streamlight. I screenshotted this off of their website, so you can take a look at that here. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching the video. Have a great one.